Hello students, welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes, and today we are solving ISI MStat paper for PSA 2025 and we have selected question number 4 today. So it's from real number and let's solve out together. So what we are being given here, let's note it down. We are being given a convergence sequence. Okay, so we are given a convergent sequence. So and it's being defined Bn as An plus 1 by n and Cn as An 2n by n plus 1. Okay, and the two interleaved sequences xn, that is and yn. So now first we are told what? We are told An as n tends to infinity. Now we have to see the behavior of Bn also. What does it states? An plus 1 by n, or L plus 0 we have already found out. So L plus 0 is equal to L when as n tends to infinity. Okay, so then Bn will be how much? So Bn will be L. Okay, so hence interleaving An and Bn both go to the same limit L. Okay, so xn is just a rearrangement of terms tending to L, or we can say xn is convergent to L, that we can say. Okay, now what is the behavior of Cn, then we have to see. So then hence yn does not converge. That means limit doesn't exist. So what will be my final answer? My option will be C, but this one not.